Hi, and welcome back to this quick QuickBooks training program. My name is Natasha Lorde, your favorite tax specialist. And today we're talking about how to customize your invoices. We want to make sure that you know how to customize your generic default invoices so that it better matches your brand and your style, and that the fields that are there are applicable to your business and industry. I want you to head over to your dashboard, click on the gear icon, which is your settings, and then go to custom forms and styles. Let's start with invoices. Once we get to invoices, you'll be able to see how your invoices currently look. And if you want to make it more unique to you, you can go ahead and select. When you get here, you'll be able to customize your invoices in 3 different ways. First of all, it's your design, then it's your content, and then it's the email. When we go to design, this is where you're able to change things like your logo, your colors, and your font. Bear in mind that your logo should be no more than 1 megabyte in size. The content is what you want your invoice to say. It's broken up into 3 parts where you have your header, you've got the middle part, which is where the items you are selling are contained, and then you've got your footer. In the header, you can add or remove different types of contact details, such as your website or your cell phone number, your telephone number. In the middle part, you are able to decide which types of rows and columns that you want represented on your invoice. You're also able to change the width of those columns as per your preference. In the footer, you're able to choose your cost breakdown, as well as include important information that you want to appear on every single invoice, such as your banking details or any kind of payment terms or any disclaimers that you feel are relevant and should be a default in all of your invoices. When you head over to the email tab, you'll be able to see how your invoices will be emailed to your clients. Over here, you can edit the email message and also the reminder message. What we would suggest is that you click preview so that you can see how your customers would receive those emails. Some items might not appear on your invoice or sales forms, and what you want to do is click on the gear icon. Once you get here, you can click sales, and you'll be able to see which items are listed and which ones you need to turn on or off. If there are some items that are specific to your industry that are not appearing on your sales form, feel free to add them in these blank rows, and this can be able to be shown to your clients. As you'll see, these fields can get quite in-depth. You're able to track various things, and you can turn them on and off and see if they work for you. You're able to track items or services per quantity or rate sold to a client, and you're able to toggle around with this and see what works. Now we can take a look at the effects of these changes on our invoice. Head over to your invoice tab as shown here, and you'll be able to see how the changes have taken effect. You're able to see the things that we turned on, like shipping quantities, service dates, as well as deposit fields. You're also able to move between different templates that you've created by clicking here and applying that format. You're able to see how your clients will receive this by clicking preview. If you're happy with your design, you can click save and send, and there you have it. As always, if you do not have a QuickBooks subscription, feel free to sign up with us from as little as 100 Rand a month or $6 per month. We also offer training and implementation and data migration services. See you in the next video.